Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing probably one of the most spectacular 69 GTOs to come across our dealership here in 20 years. This car finished in burgundy poly over red, rotisserie restored, and boy, it shows. So we'll spend a little bit of time today getting to know and understand exactly what this car has to offer. So that way you can decide whether this is a car you should park in your collection. This car came to us via New York, and beforehand Montana. So PHS documents, numbers matching, rotisserie restored. And a neat painted top here, white painted top.
Well, that's why I want you.
Rally wheels as it was ordered with. Tachometer dash. This will paint. Pause here, open the hood. To reveal the WT motor. And the original numbers matching block here. Correct air filter. 4-barrel carburetor. You can see the chassis painted. All the suspension's been done. Everything's been done. How about that? Every nut and bolt has been touched. This car has been lightly driven in the approximately 20 years that it's been completed. Boy, you wouldn't be able to tell. Got a close-up picture of that trim tag there in our extensive photo gallery. See power steering, power disc brakes. Just as she was ordered. Here are a couple minor nicks. The front bumper and then this urethane. Got two marks there. And then one on this side. Twin snorkel hood there. Again, this car has been completely apart. And it shows. See the driver remote mirror. Interesting to see a Hearst 4-speed, no console, but that's how this car was ordered. Horn blows. Showing 62,000 miles since it came from a non-title state. Mileage will read exempt from the South Carolina title. Your tachometer, AM radio, heat. liner. My shoulder harnesses are there, placed as they should be. All the chrome's been re-chromed. You can tell the difference between Chinese bumpers and real bumpers. These are real bumpers. This paint is polished. No orange peel. Left the key in the trunk here. So that way we could see. Extremely high attention to detail for sure. And we got the PHS documents to accompany this car, but 242. So here, disc brakes, floor mats, remote kneeler, rally wheels, power steering, tach, radio, two-tone top. Full spare, got extra set of floor mats there and some other goodies. An HEI style billet distributor in that box and a couple other knickknacks. The infamous box of parts. I see no evidence of any panel replacement on this car ever. Make this a reproduction. This manual there. Extra fuses. Redline tires and polyglass Firestones. This lets fire her up. This car starts perfect every time. This Hurst T-handle. Got the original black shifter ball in the trunk.